A video, yeah, artist.
Man, no, but I enjoy.
So you have so much energy.
Chuchi! Rocco, Choco, Rocco.
You better go
big up yourself, yeah. Sports!
Big up some people from the place, man.
Big up on yourself, man. You hear that? A spot on the highway, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Anything you want.
Why you say that, sir? Fresh donut.
I want to donut, fresh and nice. You more water in the train you want.
Yeah.
Sports!
So, money boss, how things are going?
Yeah, everything up and running.
Everything up and running. Boy, if you shoot them pretty no blouse and skirts.
For the bypass.
Cheese and I know, so I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. So I see me tell them how I meet you. So when you used to sell gadgets and them thing there,
yeah,
I normally support the business. So we say make sure so anytime we are pass, we support you about the same.
Man, you know
I do it. Touch me, man.
I can't deal with it, man.
Big up and respect. So massive. Yeah. You know, say in the comment section, majority of the time, I see people comment and say, yeah, DJ.
John baptized Jesus in a river Jordan. Jesus died in a crucifixion. Solomon, chick by your woman. Lazarus, please come forth. Me want shot more, but me not that long. I am the good Samaritan and I am the good
I saw me love sleep on the rain falling, oh good God. Me there my yard, me never come out. Hey. I don't mind enough. Powder no ram, this is I am powder going with things, you know. You watch. Powder anywhere there in the world, big up yourself. And I rain time, you love.
Yeah, what?
Nicest time. Nicest time.
Yeah, no mama and papa now.
Jesus peace, no vanilla. Jesus peace, man. No mama and papa. Oh easy, blessed love, blessed respect, all my Jamaica walk by massive. You don't know, Spanish Town, and you don't know this is Old Harbour Road. You see me I say? So yeah, massive. Right about now, we're currently in Spanish Town, St. Catherine, Old Harbour Road, and we're about to do another Jamaica walk by episode. So right about now, this is a requested video. Massive, I can't understand how so many persons ask me to walk this section of Spanish Town, and trust me massive, we are going to do it today. Zin? So yeah massive, please me I beg you, start like the video from your start, watch right about now. You see me I say, no joke, no doubt. Let's go man, let's get it on the road, let's get the show started and let's get everything the right track. You see me I say, no joke, no doubt. You understand? So massive, we are going to be walking a stretch of this road here. And as you can see, center camera is the roundabout massive. You understand? Spanish Town roundabout, or they call it the Old Harbour roundabout. Old Harbour Road roundabout. But yeah, today we are going to walk the entire Spanish Town bypass. You see me? The Spanish Town bypass. So we are going to walk from that direction and we'll go right around the roundabout and we are going to go that way. We then call it Salt Factory Road. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So massive, as I said to you before, it's a requested video. So we are going to start it off just like this. And I don't know a thing go. Big up all my Spanish Town massive. All my Old Harbour Town massive. Everybody, blessings and respect. You see me I say? No joke, no doubt. So let's do this. So today is the Spanish Town bypass. We are going to walk. The amount of people ask me for that one stretch of road there. I hope so now watch the video now so you can see me actually do it. The place fully changed up. I'm not telling no lie. So today I'm going to try something, you know what I mean? At least everybody who me a pass, we a sell me, I say me can buy a one water from them. You see me? If I my one water, I'm not going to take the water because I know I'm not going to drink so much water. I'm just going to pay for it and go on for my merry way. You understand? No joke, no doubt. So as you can see, this sign look good. So you have Spanish Town, Kingston, I have Ocherius going that way. Yeah man, whole heap of people are sell from chicken, whole heap of vendors and all of the good stuff. Everything roast right so. And thing. Mad. So Spanish Town bypass massive. And we are gonna do it in this one. And I don't know my artist bridge in the right cross there, so. No man, you're good man. So we are go down my boy. You see me I say? So that's how we are do it. So my teacher said no want a camera. So as you can see all of them little spot here are clean out, which is nice. Beautiful. Them are do the whole of them little section here. We are going to do the right way. And we have my teacher down there, so we are going to showcase. See me? Artist! So, you got that direction for go Ocherous, Bagwalk and all of them places. Wagwan! So yeah, so massive remember that teacher, yeah. So, we talk to him and I buy load the board from him and all of them things. I mean give me the umbrella and I'm a general, I always support him thing. But him then tell me say I'm an artist. So him sell rug, him sell load board, him sell chair. Wagwan! Me I do Spanish Town bypass today. Acho man. You know Jamaica walk by though, so me have to do all over Jamaica, no Joe. You have to go DJ for me today, no? Touch me, man.
I can't deal with it, man.
Big up and respect. So massive.
Yeah.
You know, say in the comment section, majority of the time, I see people comment and say, yeah, DJ. And how many make a DJ for me? So my teacher see them sell chairs, all like portable chairs them, and loody board, draft board, rug, all sort of sitting. Well, and then me turn off my personal mic so I can advise the right way. You see me?
Yeah, man, you know, see, I sell and big up to Scooby. Yeah, my brother. Big up everybody with that foreign, yeah. Yeah, me name to them. Yeah. Because a long time we are do it, but we never do it. But yeah, we are going to go to some lyrics. Make you know, say, Scooby, listen to this. Ratchet. Watch it, I am the good Samaritan man, I am the good Samaritan man. Good Samaritan man, I am the good Samaritan man. What on the morning around 9:21, me and me fourth girl are with them. Call him Sharon, we are take a liquor walk and we are go a red pond. As we reach a red pond, yes, some psych of old man with them. Broke up in foot and with them. Broke up in, what we do? Bang down a bus, one down a van. Take it to the hospital very quick, man. And when them come out and says a good young man, I go in, make up me wine and turn Christian.
Hey.
Go in at the church up and go con.
Hey.
Take out the Bible in a me right hand. Read from Psalm, go to Revelation. Take a little, in a Evision. John baptized Jesus in a river Jordan. Jesus died in a crucifixion. Solomon, chick by your woman. Lazarus, please come forth. Me one shot more, but me not that long. I am the good Samaritan, I am the good Samaritan.
So the massive the car, so we don't make him DJ, you know, with that, you know. Yeah, massive, so all the Jamaicans you watch right, you know, with the right Spanish Town roundabout or Old Harbour Road roundabout. You understand, we're there with the bad artists.
Come out here. About them.
Come here, I can show the two things, but I want to make sure so they stop and buy from him, you know.
Yeah.
You understand, load the board, draft board. See all the portable chairs and things.
I'm sure them.
I can show you what go on. So, see it here, load the board right here, so you have big size and you have a small size too. You understand? No joke, no doubt, it's smaller size one them, I say the bigger one them here. You understand?
Well, it's show me one of the customers. They're going to one more lyrics to keep on now.
Yeah.
So you hear that?
Yeah.
When Father Abraham, how many sons up? How many sons up? Father Abraham, and I am one of them. And so are you. Let me say, open your ears and let me listen about this. Me and me daughter, this me and me son now. So when me daughter gone, me son just a come. But if a boy let me daughter and take the phone, my would I use me cutlass and them run him down, up the road, down the road, kitchen and veranda, bathroom, bedroom, chop him on the shoulder. Tell the boy, Tell the boy, no ram, no with me daughter. But I was arrested by the police officer. So if the boy they don't know say a murder. What is it? Yes, you run, I know you run. Yes, he hit my daughter up the road, down road, kitchen, veranda, bathroom, bedroom, chopping on his shoulder. Tell the boy, no ram with cup.
Passive. But them know say you're a veteran DJ, the man.
Yeah,
True
man,
them
long
say so.
time we are doing.
Long time.
We just turning it to selling.
Yeah, the voice, the melody,
Long time,
lyrics.
long time.
Massive, I'm a teacher, I'm not do no video cross the side there. I'm in a circle means. What the rain yesterday with you?
Eh?
You out there yesterday? With the rain,
man, me out
sir?
there, me out
Lord Jesus and peace, me say rain that wash your whole place.
Yeah, man,
But yeah, massive. Forward out, support my teacher from rug to loody board. Portable chairs, see party, see some other kind over there, so I him have them right a Spanish or roundabout. Make sure you're not passing this, so the scene for Jamaica walk by and just give him a sponsor.
Yes, Scooby,
No,
big up.
no.
And now you see it.
It's a
They
Scooby.
give you the length. Yeah. And Charlie.
What somebody
We
tell
have
us
the
that they see I in DJ? Where there Scooby?
Yeah.
Big up Scooby at the whole works. You don't know. Art I love me teacher. You don't know my support here different, you know, cause you know me forward you and get loady board, pan top of loady board.
Yeah.
And do a thing. Yeah, massive, so. Art I love take it easy.
Yeah, man.
They are going to the whole work. See? No joke, no doubt. Yeah, man, I'm a boss, man, in there. You understand? Sometimes you can find him on the weekend, them are right through the week. But this is Spanish Town. So the place are clean up, clear up, and beautify. All of them other places are empty and things, you see me I say, which is great. It's a good vibe. It's a great vibe. It's a great vibes. Blessings and respect all of my teacher them, all of people them from Spanish Town. We are do it and we are walk. Let's do this. So much if you know that direction at Thai spend. I think we now go that direction there today. We do a video, I walk that side already, go towards Thai spend. Big up to all the artists them that side there too as well. Now you have to look behind you when you cross your vehicle tends to go left. So you have to make sure say you do it right. Let's go. So Thai spend and that will lead you into Spanish Town. But we're not going to go there today. Yeah, man. No joke, no doubt. Let's do this. So big up to everybody we just joined right now. Art, love and respect. No joke, no doubt. You hear me? Let's do it. Alright, make sure so we look good, car. Cross behind the lady. Oh, yeah. So this is a road, to be honest with you, where enough people now go walk. I'm telling them because see a while ago me a pass this a teacher a ball out say yo make sure you no camera over here say you know. And be a thing so. Make sure say me name put the camera over there and nothing cause you know them stay already. I mean I really come out here to get ignorant or nothing with nobody. You see me just want to do my little thing and go on back on my yard. Anybody no want to catch on the camera or something? And then see me before, just tell me and me just pass. Easy as that. Now waste no time. Alright, let's do this. So as me say, I go try buy a water from every one of them igloo when I can pass. You see me? Every one of them, well, I'm not going to say every one of them, yeah, it depends on how much of them. Because enough of them, you know. I have my general out here, so Money Boss, we sell shrimp and them thing there. We are going to give Money Boss a link to. You see me? Yes, man. So big up to Money Boss, Money Boss, I know. I know how many Money Boss me used to sell gadgets and them thing there online, and when they reach out to you and say, yo, you want one of the earbud. And I saw me deliver it to him, and I write out them, I see him a sell and thing, and from that him buy a couple well from away for friends and family and all of them things, and from that me and him turn bridging. And we never bought pop off a link, you see me? So yeah, man. Alright, so since me there, so make you just bust a little big up now, man, to all of my viewers and subscribers. Blessings for watching the channel. Big up to my members, I should say. Big up to all my members. Heart of love, mad love and respect. You see me, I say. I remember big up some people right now. I just go in one of the comment section from one of my latest video. I just call out some YouTube name and big up some people who me see in the comment section. You understand? I'm going to go cross. I can make a cross. Motor road fast. So a whole heap of changes to the side here. So yeah. First name I see in the comment section, I see Jennifer Pusey. Big up and respect. Lady Janice. I love them, and Lady Janice is a special person normally there on the channel. So big up to Lady Janice. I see Caroline Green, 135, you know what I mean, blessings and respect. Also I see Gloria Coleman, big up and respect, no joke. You know what I mean? Philip Knight. Art I love, big up, you don't know. I see Wesley Thomas, 75. Big up and respect. Who else I see down here so now, you know what I mean? Big up to Rika 6205. I see in the comment section too. I see Raski Shaker. See in the comment section too. You know what I mean? Patrick Gill, you don't know. What's this? Is this Everett Williams? Big up every time. So who else me see in the comment section again? Make you go look, you don't know. It's a vibe. Boom. Heart of love to everybody. So if you just joined, we are on Spanish Town Bypass. And we are go as far as me can. I don't even know which part of the video you are done. You see me? Yes, man. Some nice thing I sell. All boy. Mommy, how much I sell water for? 100. 100? Yeah. Alright. Jamaica walk by, me I do some Jamaica walk by. No, me just a pay feet. Me tell myself, say, me just a walk through everyone I eagle them, me just buy a water. Alright. A whole heap of wood in, so me can't get too much. Yeah, alright. Blessed love, yeah? Me make a subscribe to the channel. Me don't know if you know about it, but me do walking videos. Okay. You understand? Me don't know if you're afraid of the camera, but heart of love, make you see it, big up and respect. Yes, alright. Yeah, me do walking videos, so me do showcase the natural beauty, you know? Yeah. Respect. So she sell engine oil, steering, what if something she sell, and she sell juice. So we are walk through. Yeah, so no joke. Kevin Lee, big up and respect. At Major, big up and respect CM Speed. They don't know. This is the next person I big up. Can't pronounce the name about it. It's a YK007 Beats. You see me? Yeah. From time to time I go and big up some people in the comment section. as we go through. You understand? No joke. So see a place set up. Whole heap of business. Bike a sell out so too. All of the good things, man. Hot spot, bike parts, repair, tire shop. Man. See there? The energy. Car wash out so. And we are go through. And you don't know, food for the poor now. Center camera, if you look, that's food for the poor. If you don't know what food for the poor is, you don't know. The name very self-explanatory. So you can get the houses, them and all heap of benefits from the government. You don't know for the homeless and all of them things there, you see me? So yeah. Let's move on. So massive, how me I big up them people, I just the comment section me I looking at and just I give some people some big up where actually comment on the channel, you see me? I see all Juna, big up every time, I see you. Juna 369. Big up yourself. You see me? Whole heap of name, Grace Walk Vlogs, me Jenna. Hope everything good with you, everything good. That's another YouTuber. Big up yourself, me teacher, no joke, no doubt. You hear that? Delrise, Barbados travel vlog. Big up yourself, me teacher. You're there on every one of my video them and I drop a comment. You see it? Godfather, manners. Money boss! So yeah. See our juice. Yeah, so there's some teacher. Oh, shop. Alright then. Money boss! Wow, I'm coming on, man. Manners, me teacher. See it there now. Money boss! Blouse and skirt. You still look like I know you don't see how you go on. But they are walking it now. I tell you anytime you walk it, I tap on your foot. Big up and respect me teacher. I do some Jamaica walk by to them, I walk the whole life stretch. You understand? Eh? Walk you one place up and walk. That's how I think. Yeah. Bless me teacher. I don't over there see you do. Manners and respect. You hear that? So yeah, money boss and my teacher the same yeah. You don't know him sell shrimp and crayfish right out of the train line from Spanish Town Road and my general this man yeah. I know you go and sell it now. Go and sell it. You know on the TikTok today. Alright. So what you are going? So yeah. In popular you see. Watch your blouse and skirt now. Shirt ever white. So money boss, how things are going?
Yeah, everything up and running.
Everything up and running. Boy, if you shoot them pretty no blouse and skirt. Cheese and I know some I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. So must me tell them how I meet you. So when you used to sell gadgets and them thing there. Yeah. And you normally support the business. So we say make sure so anytime we are pass we support you about the same. I do it. You know you have to go big up some people do money boss.
Yeah.
Yeah man, big up some of your supporters them man.
Like what, on TikTok?
Yeah, no, anyway. Anybody will support you, somebody, you know you must have some good customers who want to give a big shout out. Boy, list long.
Very long.
Very long list.
Just pick up all of the people who viral support money boss.
Yeah.
Love.
And shout out the TikTok to one them thing that make people go follow you. Because
you can't find me on TikTok. Money boss, one money boss.
One money boss.
Instagram. Real money boss, YouTube money boss, same way.
See you, boy.
Yeah, so you know everything come down. Big up the content creator who have, you know the thing.
Yeah, no.
Ever fresh and decent.
Ever fresh and decent. Massive of my teacher, you see them here, we can tell you about them here. Because we so pass back for whole by what they do, open the door, you know. Yeah, that's, as a matter of fact, you are selling back here now.
They have 300,
300,
1200.
1200.
But just 3 and 12 left now.
Alright.
5 on the rest aside, them gone.
Alright. Me I try walk at least down the next roundabout. You know, it's a good walk that. So you go there. When me pass you, Me and you go link up. Art I love my brother every time.
Big
Man as in a teacher, yeah.
Why nigga them there?
Me not part with none of them too. Big up every time. Me alone I do it because me have so much supporter from Spanish Town where they are foreign. And them say they want me walk a stretcher. Them been a pressure me, so me say me I go walk, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember say I mean they show them I do it for them, you know. Yes. So my teacher them are there and can't come back and all them go in there say you want to see. Yes. So me have to there and me say me I do it today. And thing. You see him? They not ever ask me to make sure say you got video money boss, you know. I'm a teacher, man. So yeah, remember they can support him on TikTok, Instagram and YouTube. You see? No jokes. Yeah, money boss, seal. Look at me, I'm going down the road here. That's a code. Art I love my teacher. Yeah man, money boss. That's how we do it. Money boss I'm a regular somebody when I buy shrimp and them things there from my crayfish. You see me? So, we'll go through. How much for your water, my teacher? Dollar come. No care, just come for your money. You know, so I do a little thing when I try to buy a water from all the eagle them do. If I'm a one, I only pound, so if I'm a one, you see me? Give tags, says it. Big, maybe 10 more somebody come by again. That's a code. I just make my walk by. Yeah. Are you saying that, sir?
Everything else.
Alright, yo, I support with the water. I don't want the water still. I don't tell myself to be a walking stretch. Everyone I got them, I can give him $100 to a water. You understand? Yeah. A Jamaica. Yeah, artist. I video, no. Yeah, artist.
Man, no, but I enjoy.
So you have so much energy.
Chuchi! Rocco.
Big up
yourself, yeah. Sports.
Big up some people from the place, man.
Big up on yourself, man. You hear that? A spot from the highway, man. You see me?
Yeah.
Anything you want.
Why you say that, sir? Fresh donut.
You want to donut, fresh and nice. You more water in the train you want.
Yeah.
Sports.
Fuck, yo, Mr. Jamaica is a vibe. And I include this. And I hear there too. Boom, Dragon, Spitfire, Guineas. I be say beer things, I don't know DG soda them. All the mouth, if your mouth feel away, you can freshen up right as I see away.
So I phone all of them. They say a 10 at 15,000 quote if you know it.
Oh, shoot.
Sports! Now boy!
Yes, how much I want to sell them for?
15 days.
15 days. Bombard, you dash them, man. Lords and skirt, watch your merchandise.
I don't know my name, Inner House Sparkly. Look for me steering wrap.
Steering wrap from down to the
Jamaica, boy, that Jamaica.
Yeah.
Rocco.
Hey, hey, better go start DJ now.
I
you can't just have the energy and DJ
now. No boy. Hey, if you don't want to do it, have come to Sparks now. When I say it train you more. When I say it more water and munching. Rocco. No boy. Millionaire!
I love the teacher. Bad and bad. Go and sell, go and do the right thing. Everybody can get on a steering wheel them here, so. You see all the zapper over here, so you don't know if you have a mosquito problem. The zapper then can solve it. Charger, car, hey, you not play. Don't drive and text me people. Buy on the wiper blade.
I mean, have car, man.
Jesus Christ. See all the rag them there, and everything you man are hustle out here. What is this? Oh, this is a thing you can put all in your trunk and all them things there.
Car from prevent the interior from damage.
I'm
telling you this. 5 years can't buy interior. You see me, so now if you buy this foot now in the car, because you know so we love the car, you know. You see me, I have nothing wrong with it with ball.
That's a code.
Sparks!
Sparks! Creative. That's a code, my teacher.
Alright, you have a Louis V mat them.
John, no.
Louis V mat them, because you know we are rich foot.
Jesus.
Millionaire foot.
Millionaire.
So anywhere you go.
Millionaire.
Louis V, you don't touch it bypass.
Millionaire.
Big up yourself.
Big up every time, my teacher. Art, I love you hear that. That's a code. Yo, we have to rate the people, them, especially one that will stay like this. Yeah. No joke, man. Sparks. Millionaire. No boy. Spanish Town bypass is going great. It's a vibe. It's an energy. You know, they have a football field cross or so, where the youth them are walk. And you hear me say, we're a billionaire! Yeah. Teacher them a play 2 ball, you don't know that evil that thing. You know what I mean? It's a good energy. Billionaire! Yo, in full of vibe, man. Sparks! Yeah, man, I him say sell, you see me? So much of a movie that. Big up Town Jamaica, walk by massive. If you just joined in, this is a vibe, this is an energy. That is good video so far. Oh my word. So all I man them have been ask me for that video, yeah. But hope me I do no justice. The vibe start nice already. And thing, I can't rain this year. The sky blue and pretty, so we should be okay, you see me? And you have the church over there, so when other name of the church again, I don't remember, I can't see sign from here, so but the church is still there. Right beside food for the poor. Yeah, you see it. Great man. Big up and respect, you know, saying that every time, I might thought that, you know, every time that I could go and do it same way. Yeah. Spanish Town bypass. Great vibe, great energy. How we are going through, you see? Manners, manners. Mommy, you sell water? Oh, alright then. I see her right here. Oh, mommy had the chicken. Rockstone, rain start. Come down, man. Rain a come down. So, I could take it on the side. I not far too hard. Barely I go through still, but we should be good. Then maybe just stop underneath that tree there a little bit. See one igloo here. Mommy, you sell water? You sell water? Alright, good. Jamaica walk by, you understand? No man, I don't want the water and I sponsor everybody go down the line and just pay for your water as we go through, you understand? Heart of love.
What kind of...
A Jamaica walk by, me just walk and showcase the natural vibe in a Jamaica. Natural beauty, the ambience, the people them, all y'all sell now. Show the people them, y'all like people them when I see you for y'all a long time. Say, what's your name?
Pat.
And they must say, no Pat that. Me just see Pat for the highway and sell and think Pat still there. Jamaica walk by, go chat to him. So I just them think they will just show love always, you see me? Yeah, man. I wish me have enough more can give away. So what me can do is like me pass everybody we sell a water. If I look $100, me just spend it like me drink a water and me just go through. Not true?
Yes.
5 with that man. Manners and respect, greetings, heart of love. Yeah. And you sell donut, you sell cheese chips, you sell so much thing. I'll be a business I go on out here, man.
Yeah.
Wanna just take it easy and go on pan it. You see me I say? Ah, Godfather. So, I don't know where we're going to go on with that now. Eh?
Alright,
yeah, man, I just that, man, because guess what, you see, in next 20 years, man, can look back on the video and see how the place look, because we don't know what kind of changes are going to go on, you know. How what go on to the world, or what, so at least somebody can have it if you can preserve something, if you say. That's how a place used to look, you know.
Yeah.
And then people can also see, if you say, you remember how it used to look, and how it look now.
Yeah.
Yes, I. You say, Pam.
Pat.
Pat, yes, Pat.
You want to know you're cooking?
I want to cook it. I say your boss, eh? That's why I have to name it Pat or cook it. Pat.
I'm not cooking a pot. If you're not cooking a pot, how you go?
True, man.
We can't eat no food.
We say the gateway to where artists through his mouth. Big up somebody before me go for you, so can see where that you have. Big up to me, I don't know who you want big up.
Big up my man, Powder.
Powder. Powder, yo. Jesus Christ. Big up our man, Powder. Powder, big up yourself.
Yeah.
All like Spanish Town massive.
Yeah. All of my friends them from Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Bypass.
Love Spanish Town.
Yeah.
Place
come
nice.
buy me donut. I sell fresh donut, I sell stale donut.
Fresh donut.
Yeah.
See donut that we sell
Prestige.
Prestige.
Pastry cake.
And pastry. A Prestige. I'm my brand, you know, man. Love it, you know, man. Somebody can get stale. If somebody have stale Prestige, man, then we get beat. Because Prestige donut sells so fast.
I lead in donut.
I lead in donut.
Yeah.
Worldwide.
Yeah, man. Big up.
How are we gonna do? Come back down, not do that now, man. Hold on, I'm gonna go right there, your shop, go and chat a little bit. Are your ends is at now?
Yeah.
Alright, make a turn up your south rain, look a bit and look. So yeah, massive, Spanish Town. Big up our Spanish Town, massive. Big up Miss Pat over there. Selling her Prestige what you money them? Our Prestige donuts and all of them good things there. So look at Rain and Joe. And me are going to hold it as because this camera is not the waterproof one. So we are going to make it Joe have a little bit and then we take on the street again. It's about 4 o'clock or about 5 after 4 in a them time. But the rain been a fall at Jamaica wicked like what? Oh, the rain are here yesterday, Miss Pat?
Sleep.
Oh, you name out here?
Yeah, but I sleep.
Miracle, so me say whole place a flood out.
Sleep, right?
Jaja God.
Sleep like a baby.
So me love sleep when the rain falling, oh good God. Me there my yard, me name but come on. Hey. I don't mind enough. Powder no ram business and powder go on with things, you know. You watch. Powder anywhere there in the world, big up yourself. And I rain time you love.
Yeah, what?
Nicest time. Nicest time.
Yeah, no mama and papa now.
Jesus peace, no vanilla. Jesus peace, man. No mama and papa. Big people time there though. This spot the easy at all. If a powder go on bad. Big up yourself, powder. You're a real killer. No joke, no.
I didn't know if you're angry.
I didn't know if you're angry. Right. You go on.
They will mash around after.
You get the youth yet?
If we get one more thing.
Oh my word. R.I.P. You know what I mean? Condolences here. No joke, no doubt. Everything will be alright. See me?
I know I don't get $1, but till I give thanks.
Yeah, give thanks. What happened?
Accident.
Oh, car accident? Father God. Jesus and peace. Sorry about that, my friend. How long ago was that?
2 years.
I just what he had that? 2 years. How old was he?
39. No, a police boy.
39? A young little boy that? Keys and peace. Come to me teacher, we are going to do some episode here. Jamaica walk by. Blessings here. Yeah. So Rain and Joe have a little bit. My condolence to you and your whole family, man. When name? Baller. Big up every time, Baller. May your soul rest in peace. Mommy out there still a grief, you know what I mean? 39-year-old you, young little boy that man, just a go and live and sit down. Cheese and peace. 2 years ago, R.I.P. me teacher, boy that world, me and you don't know what kind of twist can go on in other earth, you know? We just have to try with best, you just go and live, take it easy and go through, not true? Big up yourself, Miss Pat. See Rain look like he want Joe off. Make us say me can go and try the art of lover. Jamaica walk by, my name Fabian here. Yeah.
Give me a number to
You want my number? For you trouble me? Yeah man, we know that again. There's something for you trouble me. Your argument ain't too big, you know what I mean? You have YouTube and anything there?
Yeah.
You have Instagram? What make you not on Instagram?
I don't know how to do it. That's why I don't put it on my phone.
I have my number on the channel, man, where all of my subscribers them can reach out to me, man.
Me not even
I have my personal number on my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel there.
unless I put my internet and my home.
Oh, alright. Me have number where you can WhatsApp me and all them things that I can send you all the video to when they drop. So me show you that. Me I give it, you know? You want it?
Yeah?
Yeah man, me give you a number, man. Me call my number there on my channel, man. I me send you a video.
Yeah.
876
Hold on.
876. Yeah, 567 96 77. Yeah man, I'm a WhatsApp number that man, I can always reach out to me, man. You see me? I left the phone in the van, because I don't know a thing go. To ring.
Vice me.
It's supposed to ring. But I go look and see a number come up on here. What? Can't forget you know, link me. So I can send you a video when you drop here. You can just send it to some people to make them see you. Cool?
You know, say
Touch it.
easy.
That's a code. I'm going out there again. I hope it rain still a drew a little bit. I can't bother. But I could take time try it, not true? Yeah. Now man, I go that side there. But them good though. Yeah man. Yeah, where I got you. She asked me go that way there already, but me go that way there already. So we are going now forward. Look a rain a Jew, but make a move on. Open the end of it. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah. So, rain, hold up your hand, man. Now want me think them wet up, man. Yeah, massive. Spanish Town bypass. Rain a Joe look a bit, I know me no want to walk in a rain with the device, you understand? And I want good look at journey. Looking at the sky clear and thing, man. I just look at Joe and say, you know, say, you know, Joe too fast and then I go Joe too hard. See? Oh, yeah, man. Alright, make we go on. I'm even sure of them lane and thing, but yeah. Let's go. I don't know if you can see it, but rain a fall. Light rain. Bulky dog, look behind me. Oh gosh, we're not gonna make it. Look behind me. Come like a forward, it a forward. Almighty. No, sir. How we are going to do this? So massive. We are going here, man. By the grace of God. We are going. A while ago, the sun had blazed, you know. Sometimes I couldn't even come out of the vehicle, you know. The way the sun had. And look here now. Cha. What them say? Them say, what's the word I'm looking for? Unpredictable, like the weather. Think a lie. Alright, so I see which we are reach up on and now. Big up to Miss Spot. Miss Spot have a vibe. Yeah. Aye, man. Boy, me teacher, I don't know what rain do to me, you know. I see some more walk, brother. Look up, boy, say that a code. So you have Windsor Road. You understand? Not true, Godfather? You don't know. Yeah, so we have Windsor Road. I think and this one don't tell us, welcome to Duncan's Pen. So this is Duncan's Pen. You see me, I say? Yeah. As we move through. Oh, yeah. So let's go. I don't know where the rain come from. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Sell water, mommy. Oh, you're carrying already? A sponsor, me want a sponsor, you know? No, man, what me I do? Hold on there. What me I do? Me I say if I ever want $100, me give everyone a little igla them where I sell water. I don't really want no water. But me just, I won't leave a you know, so I have to cut it short. Yeah. Yeah. Respect as we are go through. I say water, my brother. Beg you. Come in, my sponsor, I think. So me I pay you. Alright, it's good, man. I just try to sponsor all that money myself. I don't want the water, man. It's good. Right. Respect our man, I say. Heart of love. I only pound, but I say if I'm $100, I can give every man. Yeah, and just say, call me get a water. Not true? Heart of love. Jamaica walk by, hear that? Yeah, Jamaica walk by. That's a cool. What's your rain, man? No, wow. Oh, it's... Yeah. Brawling. Oh, you're an artist? Lifetime artist. Okay. What is my name? Tony Irie. Yeah. Big up and respect. Tony Irie. Outside. Massive a piece of radar forward there. Me want top and 30, but God knows me have to go look for a shelter before this radar bust to blow up. The rain look deadly. Look there. Look at the rain now come. Look there. Look at the rain now come. What me I gonna do you know? What me I gonna miss? Ah no! I'm gonna find somewhere wicked for shelter for this. Jaja. Just yo. So this is Spanish Town bypass. That set up different whole heap of business. I don't know if you remember them places used to be swamp areas. Now you can see a lot of business. I put out them foot from them side and I use up all of them land there. What people normally call wasteland. So them did it the right way, get rid of the water and provide nice place for the water drain way and stuff like that. And then just use up the land for businesses and stuff. You see me? Which is so great. Glamorous carpentry, glamorous carpentry and things, Jamaica. See all them business there over there now. Plaza there, them side there. And a normal thing, brother. What that over there, so? Carl Run, let me see what your truck boss. Carl Run Express. They cross there, so. Man as my teacher. Respect. So it's a good look over them side there. And the rain are forward. I don't know how we are going to do this. I want me to go get shelter. Blow what we rain is upon us. So massive enough if you don't see me done the video. I don't know where I go. It rain and I have to skip out. You say water, my friend? Good evening. Hey mommy, for the water.
Thank you.
Yeah, sell out hello for the water. It's good. But just a sponsor everybody and come down the line. If I'm $100. Yeah man, that's all. Let's say go. I want to leave a Jamaica walk by, me I pass through. Because you choose me how you move me that one if you don't want nobody see you. Art of love, man.
Art of love. I want today when I video the next street I do it. I want today when I show you on the front line.
What's it there? You think them pretty?
Thanks.
I don't be alone tell you that.
No.
And it's not a joke thing.
No.
Yeah, you think them beautiful.
I want today, yeah, you style. Oh.
That's a cool, touch me. Big up and respect here.
Yeah.
Man, you come right out. Big up, man, yeah. So, you have Carl Run Express over there, Auto Parts Limited place. So, a lot of businesses that take over that side now, which is great. Good afternoon, manners. I beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel too, here, Jamaica Walk By. Oh, yeah. So, this is it, massive. So, the rain forward fast. So, I don't know which part I'm going to stop that video here. But, anyway, catch me, I have to go run. I mean, they want to go way further than this, so I not even know. And if I move too fast, a whole heap of things I'm going to miss. And I don't want to do that. So I still have to try go slow and think. But let's go. And a TikTok, a YouTube, Jamaica Walk By. Everything good. Yeah, do it. Eh? No, man, I'm alone. But I just, me a big man, but I just look little. I'm the same one man all these years. Yeah man, heart of love. You see me, my brother? Respect and manners. I show people in my place nice, you know? That's a code. Yeah man. So let's go, let's go. Blessed, blessed. So if you see me, I want them to move. I give you enough, you know, but you don't know where I go until it's done. See somebody else here. Oh, my teacher, you sell water? Alright, see it, I'm a sponsor thing, you know, but we not take your water, you see me? We just try all I G them down the line, a whole heap of but no matter how small it is, we just call it so buy your water, you see me? Big up and respect, you hear that? Heart of love. Rain and fall, so I just run through, you know? That's a cool. So yeah, massive, it's not much, I'm telling the truth, it's not much, and it's not a lot, I just $100 for your water. So if you can pass, I'm just sponsor one somebody a bucket of water go down the line. A whole heap of them, but you don't know a thing go. Just call it, say them sell a water, which is great, and that them out here for do. And it's for sell. So nothing wrong if you may just sponsor a one water. Can't really sponsor everybody, but yeah, you know have it like that. But I still try do my thing. And you have plants, if you want plants, you get plants over them side have to buy and thing. Whole heap of business up on the plaza. Yeah. You see me? Get your bicycle fixed. Chatida, yeah. Yeah. By rain, I hold up a little bit in and give me a little time for go on so I just see how far I can go, you see me? As the showcase. Good afternoon, sir. So, let's go through. Spanish Town bypass. I then call it Salt Factory Road. Godfather said, Kane. Godfather, big up. Respect. You good? Yeah, go and do it. Oh, your name? Yeah, I don't know anything. Go. How would that popcorn? Bad artist. Alright, so mainland hardware. I don't think I'm not sure if our hardware over there now or a supermarket, you know. You see me? But I know so whatever they do over there, so they lock down, but they hope me now. So see there, oh, mainland supermarket, they turn a supermarket and now. Over there, so. So who never know now. Yeah, man. Look, them massive, the whole are so black. Black. So, let's see what happens. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Sell water?
Yeah.
Oh, no, you know, me don't want the water. Me just a sponsor you, my friend. Me a sponsor everybody go down the line. Alright, no problem. No, me don't want the water, man. Sit there. Me just a sponsor, I think.
Oh, thank you,
yeah, my heart, I love, man. I respect.
Oh, glory be to
That's
God.
it's small, you know, but at least a thing. A whole heap of now come down the line. That's a code, man. See, respect. One walk by me teacher, respect, you hear that? No joke, safety on the ground. Yeah, my sister said she don't want to dip on the video. So I'm in a video, I'm just try to drop a look, change, and we move. Yeah, nice vibe today. The rain look like it want to fall upon me, but I'll go through. Still a beautiful day. Still a beautiful day. Yes. Big up to all like DJ them out here in the street, all like DJ them where they don't know, still love the music. Probably never work for them in a time, but them want to work like myself, but you go and do something else and you like what you do differently, same way. You understand? Yeah, because all the DJ in the streets of Jamaica in a way never get the bus, but that not means that them not talented or them not have super talent. You see me? Over there you know, I try to get all the right name and think them phone, you see me? Here comes the rain, boy. Yeah, man. Alright. A mad thing. March pen, me show you a sign. Manners teacher. See that? Welcome to March Pen. Community. You understand? That's a cool. But this is March Pen. Big up to all the March Pen massive. Good vibe, good energy. You understand? Yeah, man. Canal. Mad. So this is the March Pen community, then the power wash and thing right as a same speed. All the youth always there and I saw swim. And I will a joy, you understand? Yeah. Massive rain a Jew, you know. So if you don't see me I move look fast, looking at the sky, whole of the sky black. And I don't know where Jamaica wash it from what they here, so I don't know where the vibe go. I mean I see which part me I get shelter yet. So that go rough. But we still a move through. Luckily at this direction me I go, you understand? Harry's funeral home I run the whole cut. And then my van where they have now. March Pen Pentecostal. I go borrow the umbrella there from you, you know. Yeah, bro, don't joke, no, don't. You see what I say? Yeah. It, man. I just good vibe, a good energy. And thing. Manners, greetings. What? This jerk. Fish race. Focus spot. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. Yeah. Big up and respect. You there, I know what thing go. Yeah. So yes, my Jamaica walk by massive. If you're just joining, please I'm asking you to like the video there, please. If you're new, subscribe. Mommy, are you still right here, sir? You have water? Oh, you carry them in? Alright, I just want to know you sell them sponsor it. One little thing, you might not enough, but if I have more local water, that way then maybe somebody come and come beg you one, you can just at least somebody pay for it already. You always give it though.
Minus the pants. Today.
All today you have to give it?
No, I'm not happy.
You're a Christian? If you're a Christian, you're going to feel like you're happy. Because God does why you give. I mean?
Yeah.
I'm not Christian, then they want it. Then God, them I go to church.
But listen now, me I trust them, I don't know them. Come back up here.
And they still come back?
Yeah.
God no good?
Yeah.
All the time. Blessings and respect. Fabian, Jamaica walk by. You understand? So I walk and showcase the natural vibe, the beauty. But me I walk from roundabout. So all our persons then we are selling, come my mother eagle I know. So all our persons then we are selling, we just try to sponsor our one water. It might not seem like enough, but our one water, God is good. Every mickle make a muckle. You have any idea what the man over here says? A housing scheme them are going to build or a company?
Say yes, and then the next
that is it. Good evening.
And the next time, New Year say like maybe one
Plaza.
Yeah.
It look like one housing scheme set up though.
Yeah.
True.
They say something that also that go over there.
Man. Alright, take it easy, cause yeah, cause it's rough. Yeah man, I show them to that side, I move fast myself. You want ahead? How far you go? Alright then, good. Blessings, God is good. So yeah, massive, we have enough good people in Jamaica, man. You understand? I try my best to be one of them. You understand? I don't want to be like when name is Bingy or Dingy. A Bingy name. Lord Jesus, Bingy sister then say, Bingy I got hell. Me want when my time comes to depart from this earth, yeah, and people father my funeral and all them things, then people say, boy, Fabian was a good youth, you know, was a good boy. You know what I mean? I hope say, when the time they come, me did repent and give my life to God. You understand? Yes, man. And I live right. Mommy, have water? Oh, yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hello. You know, me don't want him. Me just support all the eagle. Them a good on the line. If I have $100, God is good all the time. And all the time, God is good.
You don't want the water?
No, me just have pay for it. Maybe if somebody come beg you one now and he not no money, you probably can say at least he pay for.
Alright.
But yeah, man, me I do some vlogging. Jamaica walk by. We just showcase the natural vibe in our country. Ambience, people, beautiful people. Right. You understand? What's your name?
Amoy.
Big up Miss Amoy. That's your daughter? Yeah. Big up yourself. Hi, good afternoon. I have a look at daughter. She has 3 too, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. She has 7. Big girl, man. Keep on doing what you're doing. Yeah. Blessings and love you. Rain, look down there, sir. Rain, look like it. I'm mad. See there everywhere I go, somebody tap to come do something. Sell, man. Data code. Yes, man. So massive, you know me I try to move a little bit faster than I usually move because as me tell you now, the rain is upon us and I want to say manners as far as I can go. You understand? So, and stay with me, my people. As a Tanta Black said I said. But I was saying a while ago, so I want when time God ready for me after the earth, them not come cuss me But like Bingy. And my sister them I say, the boy a guy in Ghana hell, Bingy. They say Bingy do the other half my blouse and skirt. Bingy got a hell. Yo. I one of the toughest thing me ever see at one funeral. From a barn till now. I've never seen anything like this. No, sir. So, over there so we attack. So, and you can tell by aerial shot, then you can see it. We're not sure what going over there. It did look like them separated in such a way to build houses. But now people say them here say a plaza. We're not sure. And the lady not sure either. But so far, I saw it look. But whatever it is, it's going to be a very good development, which is great. And at them thing there, we are talking about. Especially places like these where people always drop a bad stigma upon, you see me? So, hope is not lost. You see me? Good afternoon, ladies. So, yeah, man. So, big up all Spanish Town massive, all St. Catherine massive. We are walk Spanish Town bypass. And we are walk the direction from Old Harbour roundabout if you're just joining, heading towards the Ozemati area. I'm not so sure I'm gonna reach that far. You see me, because the video done long already. I mean that say at least an hour and a half out of walking. But with the rain situation, I'm not so sure how I'm gonna do that. You see me? Yeah. Blessed, greetings. See. So yeah, 10th floor, big up yourself, my brother. Big up my General Extreme Arts. Also, Lester, you know, see me that shout you. Lester, you watch all Jamaica walk by video and I call you today. So, I mean, I say a long time I don't hear from you, Lester, so big up yourself. Big up yourself, Lester, all the way from New Jersey. Don't know, Lester from New Jersey. You, me talk, my brother. When remember Lester, me and him go Staten Island and all of them places there over there now cool. So Lester, big up yourself. No joke, no doubt. There was somebody who said, oh, me not give them a big up yet. Me last the comment, if you tell you the truth. Alan Bailey, big up yourself, my brother. Orient Freestyle, Rushy's Kitchen. Rushy. One Rushy. Big Chef Rushy, big up yourself. Janella Faye, big up yourself too as well. You don't know. Janella, big up yourself. I'm a walk down here, so. Miss Mary D, big up. No joke. Yeah. I'm going a different perspective, you know what I mean? On the community side. Miss Althea White. Blessings and love to you, my church sister. Big up and respect. Always commenting on the videos. And all the persons who are always commenting on the videos, I just want to say much love and respect to you all. Spanish Town bypass, we there. Keep watching, we are got you. Them sugar, the girls, them did it, they got ya. Welcome the girls, them sugar. The girls, them hear this. Welcome the girls, them sugar. Now, when I remember my time I used to listen to that song, I swear him said the meanest nigga. Yeah, we used to sing songs sitting in a school star, J's and Peace. I swear, man. And to all the persons who've been asking me about Javi, that's the youth, the local youth inside of my Ocherious video. Him YouTube channel is down. Him saying can't get to log into it and stuff for name the channel properly, you understand? So him number in the description of the Ochi video. So anybody want to reach out to him can reach out to him, because many persons are link me for bless him up, and me tell them say me not really do it like that. Me try to put the mother, if him a schoolers or him underage, but try to put them parents' number so people can call them, and if you want to donate to them or help them out and stuff like that, you can do so through them parents. Even though Javi have his own phone, you don't know, me no know what's what, so me have to make sure some parents get involved. So the number in the description of the Ocherious video for in grandmother, because him live with his grandmother. You understand? Very good boy, very humble youth, very manageable, very respectful. So if you watch this far, you want to support that video there, you can go over there and watch that video there. And you'll see who named Javi. Yeah, and very good youth. Need not to say more about that. You see me, but from the meeting, and it was his birthday, I tell him, it was a great energy walking with him in a Ocherious along with Jason and Gina. So I must big up Jason and Gina too as well. And them way for 40,000 subscribers. So you can always check out Jason and Gina YouTube channel and drop them a one comment to help them reach. Drop them a one subscribe to help them reach the 40,000 subscribers in. Yeah, really appreciate that. Alright, so on the switch part we're there now. So we're there White Church Street. This is White Church Street. You see me? I have Salt Pan Road on my right. You have Salt Pan Road on my right. So good afternoon. If you walk this direction, you go all the way into Spanish Town. You see me? I say, yeah, and see rain here come again. So no joke. But we are moved. So that way carry you back into Spanish Town Road. And this is the Jonathan Grant road too. You see it? And we now waste no time, we just move through same way. Come on. Drop it one little device, yeah? No, me drop the phone not so much. So, you see how God good? Look how far we reach. And the rain not start tear down yet, but make us see what go on. Carry them past. The body a jump on Salt Pan Road. Most of them vehicles are go port more, you see me? So Salt Pan Road in that direction. You see me? Remember we used to drive through right there, so and go around, so then block it off, you know. No more of that. That used to cause a lot of traffic because a lot of persons bypass the main road there, jump over there, so and then come up and so come merge back, and they normally cause a lot of traffic. So then they have to do something about that, so then just lock off the whole thing. Alright, so the next thing on the channel, I normally see persons asking, like when they walk, if they can tell the time, like when time start or when they finish, so they can have a perfect description of the time stamp if you get this kind of audience. So right now, if you tell you the God truth, it is literally 5 o'clock on the dot. 5 o'clock on the dot right now. And I'm going to ask, I'm going to tell you, today is a Saturday. Today is a Saturday. 5 o'clock on the dot. See? Alright, so hope me can. Remember, I read my comments them, I read my comments them, so I can see exactly what I ask for. And if I ask you a specific place to me, write it down. So I can do it when I get the time. You see me? So just like how I do that one I know, and there's so much persons been asked for me walk that stretcher. So I actually do it. The person they say when I have to turn off, because I know I need to go turn off anyways, because when I know people them stay more while, when I go to them not familiar with you in the community, so they wonder who you Worse, me have this nice video camera I walk with. Must wonder what me really I do. And you know, say, if you got explain to every single soul will ask you what you're doing, it's going to be a drag. So it's best me can just walk and just go through hassle free. Not true? Yeah, man. So the next intersection we'll walk down to Bernard's Lodge main road. You see me? And Bernard's Lodge main road can carry you on your left side in a Spanish town. And the next one on your right carry you like you go Portmore and them places. You see me? It's a vibes tire shop this. Alright, and you can suppose you can see how hard the rain fall, rain a Joe. Look on the canal, see rain drops them. Yeah. Everybody have a Mom, you sell water? You sell water?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't want the water and I'm just a sponsor thing. Blessings and love.
Right.
Everything good. Everybody alright? No man, it's good man, you can go on. Go on go beat the rain. Can you see, Mom, you see rain now come? Yeah, man, I do some Jamaica walk by, just a pass through, show some natural vibe, natural ambience and things, you see me? Right. Blessings and respect. Heart and love. Go and sell. You might have small, but we just try a thing, a whole heap of no. Yeah, man. Yeah. I hope say no water not dip on the screen, but yeah. So I'm not sure which community this on that side there. I'm not sure. But all the people them will watch Jamaica walk by and see that part here. You can tell me where the community there over on that side the name. Cause even though you have Bernard's Lodge, main road down there so I'm not sure if I saw the community name. You can look on the aerial shots and my whole heap of house on the left side. And I can't tell you no how way I can cross or so. Thank you. So yeah man, I want one of them videos there, you see me? A whole heap of new establishment, you know. This nice Nipsey Auto. I like a building here. Very nice. So let's go. Well, I'm glad that's not so hot though. Like the video I do of South Camp Road and Camp Road in the morning there. Never again. Sunday too hot, brother. I have to stop. Couldn't go no further. Swear. Whole heap of business up on them side there. But you see pastry shop, bar, restaurant, so a tire shop by the side too as well. Oi, oi. Rain look like it forward from every angle. Well, it's been a while out for a while still, so we could take time and chat. Now I'm try to figure out how we get vehicles again. Taxi supposed to run by the bypass. Don't think I have to go in a Spanish town. I don't know. I want festive ball field this at you know the ball field I ever keep. And play some good ball, so I pass and see my play ball. At least I see none today. Maybe because I rain, you know what I mean? But dog, them play some nice ball game so. Sometime in the morning too. But I don't know if they still do it still. So let me tell you, Bernard Lodge intersection right now. So massive, you have to be smart, you know, because even though you see me walk, I look on some place, I say, yo, one day if it rain, if you just dash down here now, I have a little spot I can go hide from the weather, you see me? Nuts, how much for your nuts them?
150.
150?
Yeah.
I just a sponsor nuts, you see me? I don't really want it, but I just a sponsor thing, you see me?
Alright.
Big up and respect, you hear that?
Alright.
Go and do the mats. We are going to town?
Yeah.
We'll go down look further. I do some Jamaica walk by, you see me? Hold on, me wait. Heart of love, man. Big up yourself, man. God is good all the time. So, wait for the light. Alright, I wait this. Go across. That's a look massive, it might be simple, but you don't know many people appreciate it same way because they still are going to sell. So this is Bernard Lodge main road intersection, you see me? Alright, so you don't know, so the river they don't say you know. Who know the river here will run across the road here? I want to drop in the comment section if you don't know which river this. Which river, I want to know about go Google nothing, man. And not chat GPT, man. Do the thing, man. Do the chat, man. Which river this? Which river run on down here, sir? Or which bridge this we are going to walk over right now? Yeah, I mean, okay, you know what I think, but. Say it, which river this here? Blow, watch the rain. Now I'm going to make it. Now go wet up. Want the rain? Which river this here? Well, I'm a bright sparks them. Watch the rain. So massive. Let me close it from now in. Big up on yourself and respect. If you don't see me, I have to cut off the video. A rain come down. I decide to have to put the camera in my bag. I'm not sure what is that, if it's a fish pan, freshwater fish pan or what, but it's beautiful, especially from the sky. And here comes the rain massive. So if you don't see the camera lock off and thing, I lock it off and put it in my bag. Heart of love, thank you so much for watching. That's if I stop a video. Just I tell you from now. You understand? Yeah, man, because look, I don't see nowhere if you get like a shelter going down there. So more unlikely, I probably have to go do it right. So you see me, because I don't see no place to get like a shelter. I don't make the camera damage. You understand? Heart of love, big up, respect, thank you so much for watching. Look on the rain. Be a rain. Be a rain. Be a rain. Mad thing. Thank you so much for watching. Me want to go far, but see there. See rain. Crazy rain. And we now mash up the camera. See it there. That is it. Outside. And then the rain feel like it ease down a little bit, but yeah, it actually ease down a little bit. So I not feel like I'm not going to lock here still, but see how far I can go when it comes on to making this content. Kind of drew off back. But if you don't know what them think they for, you can tell me in the comment section, because I honestly don't know. I'm not even sure if no water there on the lens, but yeah, probably I got to stop it right that's all. Mad love, mad respect, big up all my Jamaica walk by massive. Thank you so much for watching. Mad thing.
song, I see Jack's face. Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jack's place. But there's no need to worry, 'cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Looking around, I see a kind face, and all they used to be cyborg is now his sleeping place. Love used to be empty space. I hope you can see it. It's a damn disgrace. So come in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. Who shall live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. I'm going away, yes. Nigeria awaits us, yes. Ethiopia awaits us, yes. Oh, Mama Africa, yes, awaits us. Ooh, oh, I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yes. We say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yes. I live in Africa, oh, Africa, yeah. You say that you are real Rasta, Africa, yeah.